Whether it's beef cattle or dairy cattle, all cattle need water. Ritchie brings you fresh water on demand. Ritchie, proud to be a partner to the American cattlemen since 1921.
Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the Cattle-Fax Closing Bell, brought to you by Ritchie Watering Systems. Supply and demand determine market prices. That's a well-understood fact for cattle producers. Participants throughout the beef cattle industry also know that tighter supplies have been supportive to the record-high price environment of recent years. In fact, 2015 will likely see the smallest beef production in more than 20 years. However, pork and poultry production are likely to be record high this year, and the January 1st inventory of feeder cattle and calf supplies outside of feed yards was larger than 2014. Overall, the supply trend in the U.S. protein sector is higher, and cattle producers need to be on notice. This creates a market environment where demand becomes a larger focus in price discussions going forward. Wholesale beef demand in March was around 10% higher than year-ago levels, but current live cattle futures prices suggest demand could be more than 10% below year-ago levels in December. Wholesale pork demand already went through that transition. In March, pork demand was 3% below year-ago levels after being nearly 30% higher in May 2014. March broiler demand remains strong with a 30% year-over-year increase, but that increase is narrowing. These trends enforce the idea that multi-year price highs were likely established in the last 12 months throughout the U.S. protein complex. Cattle producers need to plan accordingly as they look at additional supplies going forward. Demand creation will become increasingly important to commanding additional cattle revenue as cowherd expansion intensifies in the months and years ahead. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.